name is Jonathan, and I'm so excited to be here today with my friends Nisha and Carlson. Today, we are graduating from kindergarten. It feels like just yesterday when we first walked into our classroom. We were a little nervous, but together we made it through amazing years.
That's right, Jonathan. I remember how we learned to share and play together. We did block projects, sang songs, and even went on a field trip. Every day was an adventure, and I made so many new friends along the way.
And let's not forget our wonderful teachers. They taught us so much and always encouraged us to try our best. They helped us learn to read, count, and be kind to one another. Thank you, teachers, for believing in us.
We have all grown so much this year. We learned that it's okay to make mistakes because that's how we learn. And we discovered that with friends by our side, we can do anything.
As we move on to first grade, let's remember to keep dreaming big and exploring the world around us. We can achieve amazing things if